Okay guys, I hope you can see this okay. This is a Pentair pool filter canister, as you can see, and I've got a leaky pressure relief valve. This is a nice little quick fix. Check this out. Okay, you take off your valve. Mine was leaking out of here, and I couldn't run the pool today because I didn't have a new one, but you don't actually have to get a new one. This is a nice little thing. What you can do is, you know how it locks down? Well, you can tell by blowing through it that it's leaking, because it was obviously leaking water. You can just blow on it and you'll hear it hiss. So if it's leaking internally, what you can do is you're going to take this cap off just like you're taking a lid off a jar, but you got to push these tabs up. So get it to its up position, and right when you get these tabs pulled out gently, turn it like a jar and undo it. And look at that, it comes apart really simply. And what was wrong with mine was perfect. This little O-ring at the tip here, you see this, was pinched and crushed over this thing, all tore up, as you can see, shot. You can see there's another O-ring here. So this is an easy fix. I just luckily had one in my motorcycle bin of motorcycle parts and was able to throw that in there. And sure enough, to put it back together, it's that simple. You just pop it on, turn it, and it locks itself in again. Full function. You can blow on this, which I can't do right now because I got my helmet on. Well, actually I will, but you'll hear it. It's solid as a rock. I just blew on it, and if I open it up, you can hear it blow. So that's the quick fix. You're done, and pop her back in and you're good to go for another season. So keep a couple O-rings and all solved. Hope that helps. I appreciate any likes and subscribes, and I will put a link to a new one of these, which I did buy a kit, down below if you do need the set. I'm going to replace this. Obviously it's smoked. Maybe somebody knows how to clear that up. Actually, the lid comes off. I might work on that next. Hope that helps you guys. Take care. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. Bye.